Please like and subscribe. The Corsair HS80 is a superb headset for gaming and productivity. Battery life is great and it's very comfortable even after extended use. The earpads are not so great though. Look at the damage we experienced with the fabric coming undone after only 8 months of daily use. We ordered a replacement set of earpads from Amazon for only $18. We were pleasantly surprised when it included a pop filter for the mic. The build quality of the replacement earpads seem better than the originals. It features thicker memory foam and breathable fabric. They are extremely comfortable for daily use. Corsair has made the earpad replacement a breeze. Just rotate the earpads outwards to remove them. Align and rotate the replacement earpads inwards to install. When looking at the differences between the original and replacement earpads, we can see how much thicker the replacements are, and it includes a breathable fabric. They also have a flat design, compared to the more rounded profile of the original earpads. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Comment below regarding your experiences.